in the bed so she won't roll off.
Why should she not roll off?
So she won't roll off on the floor.
Owen, what do you think about new baby Noah?
No, don't do that, Owen.
Owen. Owen.
It's a step.
Hey, Owen. What do you think about new baby Noah? What is she?
Like.
Do you want to come with Dad? Come on, boys.
Wow.
She's very small.
You got a little nose like me. You got a little nose.
She has little fingers too. Can you see them? Look.
Yeah, she
Look.
do.
There's her little
She does.
fingers. Oh no. Do you think so?
Yeah, we got
Oh look, she's moving.
we got, oh my